Hello dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss about conjunction. इस वीडियो में हम conjunction के बारे में डिस्कशन करेंगे. Conjunction is one of the parts of speech. Conjunction एक part of speech है. अब conjunction किस लफ्ज को कहा जाता है? Now let's see how it is defined. Simply conjunction is a joining word. A word which joins or connects words, phrases, clauses or sentences is called as conjunction. Conjunction is such kind of word which either joins words or phrases or clauses or sentences. Conjunction किसी भी ऐसे लफ्ज़ को कहा जाता है जो या तो अल्फाज को या फिर phrases या clauses को या फिर जुमलों को आपस में मिलाता है या इनमें रबत पैदा करता है. ऐसे लफ्ज़ को फिर हम conjunction कहते हैं. Now what are the examples of conjunction? These are few of the examples of conjunction: for, and, nor, but, yet, so, because, although, when, after, though, until, unless, whether, once, as soon as long as though, in order to, whenever. These are few of the examples of conjunction. Now how conjunction works in sentences, or how it connects words, or how it connects clauses or sentences. Now look at these examples. Ali and John are going to school. Here and is conjunction because it is joining two words. Ali, it connects or it joins Ali and John together. So here and is conjunction. He travels by foot because his bike is out of order. Here because is conjunction because it is connecting two clauses. Mr. Ali is fond of cricket and he plays cricket daily. Here and is conjunction because it is connecting two clauses or it is connecting two sentences. So here and works as a conjunction. So this was all about conjunction. By watching next video, you will learn about interjection. If you have any question regarding conjunction, please feel free to comment. Thank you.